Tired of feeling sluggish with your metabolism? Java Burn is the perfect speed and metabolism boosting solution to help you reach your health and fitness goals faster and more efficiently. With its unique blend of natural ingredients, Java Burn will help you burn calories more efficiently, increase energy levels, and reduce fatigue, allowing you to feel more active and alert throughout the day. Java Burn is formulated with a combination of natural extracts and ingredients, including caffeine, green tea extract, and guarana. All of these ingredients have been proven to help speed up your metabolism and increase your energy levels, allowing you to perform at your best and reach your goals faster. But that's not all. Java Burn also contains a number of other essential nutrients and vitamins, including B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, and potassium. These ingredients will help support your overall health and well-being and ensure you get the most out of your fitness journey. So if you want to increase your speed and metabolism and achieve your health and fitness goals more effectively, Java Burn is the perfect product for you. With its unique blend of natural ingredients, it will help you burn calories more efficiently, make you feel more energetic and alert, and support your overall health and well-being. Try Java Burn today and start seeing the difference it can make on your fitness journey.